one True World TV, and if you're not True World TV, a Coloring Book TV. But remember, a True World TV, and you see a brand new movie in here, my past love. Enough time in a life, some people in some relationship, and just because them get hurt, them afraid to trust in the next relationship. But yeah, watch a movie and tell me what you think. And remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And even to like them.
You see you? Me I left you.
Me left you already, and you break me heart, and you make me can't continue with Alia.
Me?
You me a chat.
Yo, we soon. Anyways, guys, now watch them. You hear? And me, the boy I love. It's alright. Guys, anyways, enjoy the movie, alright? Alright, remember to subscribe, like, and share. I'm out. I love you guys. Mwah. You know, say, me don't like certain things, and you know when me don't like certain things, me go talk to you about it, right? Me know you love me now. Me know. There's no question. Me not have to question you. But you hold on too much on your past. Right? And you make your past determine your future. I mean, I like that be. And when I say determine your future, it's like I'm me and you into this. Me named Tia, right? Me hear you last night in your sleep. I call out your ex name. Like things what she do is like it's staying you. It's like you can't get over it no matter. Me don't know what to think. Me and y'all have sex be. And instead you call Tia, Alia, you call
Tia. Explain from your first day we book. We lay eyes on each other. Me explain and tell you everything when me I go through. Tell her the body. Only good when me have at that time. A life. Just life. Never have nothing good in my life. Till when you come in. But you are the person most of all to understand when me I go through. And not disrespect me ex. To understand when put me through. I want to wickedest thing when you're in a person that come over 10 years, whether your school friend, your brother, your mother, your auntie. Are in a relationship and that person let you down and break your heart. It's hard for you to take up your heart or take up your 2 foot or take yourself and put in a relationship. I still go look over my shoulder. I know say you love me and deal with me good. Yeah, the best thing what happened to me right now. But you have to just understand say me personal need look more time. I know Lego me no want Lego me pass, but every time I think about putting my 2 foot and give all of my love. How me feel, how me get hurt. You cry when me cry as a big man and everything. People want to feel like me weak. When me I pray to Father God, people want to feel like me weak. Me just pray for strength. Some just a beg you sometimes, just sit with me. Me get my heart break already, me don't want to break again.
Babe, you have to understand say me and me and your ex are your ex. You can't use fear, fat and fry me. You understand? Me and you in this. How long we there together now, be?
Babes, with the 1 year and
okay, me ever did nothing for you treat me like this? Me know you treat me good and everything, but your mind still upon your ex is like you block your mind from the goodness of me, the year I give to you. your scar and
You know, you say something a while ago and you're right. My ex and you are you. But I just want you to understand. My ex and you are two different persons. But remember, you see when my ex do me, I in our relationship. And you see when me and you in our relationship. So I don't block me, I block my mind. I just a bat and I protect myself. Babe, just bear with me. You used to understand and now I don't know why problem you not understand again. And I don't want this block our relationship when me have to left. Because you're one good man. You have to just give me time.
Babe, I not understand, me not understand, you know. You might think me not understand, me understand everything what you say. You get me? But I don't know, it's like it just get my brain frustrated with whatever the mistake where your ex make a mistake, right? But the mistake where your ex make, where scar you is like you project it onto me, meaning sometimes me I see you zone out of nowhere. You understand? Just because of your ex and not because of me. You know how that make me feel?
Yeah. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything when I put you through. You are not the person who make me go through when I go through. But you are one of the you are the person. Couple months ago, the earth when I feel in that 100%. Now with that around 40, 50. You are the person who I'm supposed to thank. That's why I thank you. That one thing I want to tell you. I don't cheat on you. I don't have a next female. You see me? And you alone. You understand? If I not cheat on you, I want to know. I want to come like my ex. You see me? But I just ask you, just bear with me a little bit. Please. I beg you.
Alright, babe. I really love you and I really want this to work between me and you. So, I gotta have like more understanding and just adjust myself and give you time.
Alright, thanks.
Alright.
Here.
You hungry?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so I'm going to the kitchen go see what I can look about here.
Alright, thanks. Love you here.
Love you too.
Yeah, man. Why? Father God. She not understand. She have one good man, you know. She have one very, very good man. She not cheat on me. She wash, she cook, she clean. Even my socks she press. Even my underpants, my antenna she press. But me can't give in yet. Me I come out of one dirty heartache relationship. She have to just give me a little time. Everybody have to protect their interests. Father God.
Yo, coloring book! Coloring book!
Yo!
What you dealing with, brother?
Bye, bro.
There in my G.
Babe, me soon come here. Make a minute. Yeah. Love you.
What you dealing with now?
What on?
Boy, there pass through the village and I say I come give you a ear, don't?
There, my God, man.
Pick up yourself, man. All is well?
Yeah, man, all is well, man. Forward, just, you know. There still there, you know, I mean, I'm just done raise a jail. You know, it's a couple of times, well, me and him raised about a situation still. Boy, you know, your heart still in a puppy. Your heart when you have a female that come from far, bro, and she style to break your heart. I want to, yo, bro, I never know a big man could have ball. I change sheet every day and you want to look like a piece up, but I don't piece up a tears.
Coloring book. And I tell no lie, you know. I feel your pain, you know. But I one thing I tell you. Hold it, Delroy, hold it. You're a good youth. I mean, I gimmicks out your thing. But me I tell you, Alia deal with the wicked. You see it? Alia deal with the wicked. You take care of Alia. You spend on Alia. You do everything to Alia. I can't believe Alia can't do that. You see, sometimes you would, some people you put your interest in, some people you put all of your time and everything in. Them now put back for them time in you and their interest upon other people.
The people them you carry up the ladder.
Them a bring you back down.
Them a carry you back down, dog. So sometimes you have to make you go up the ladder. If you can't take up to somebody, take them up.
One thing I can tell you, know, father, and you see man, they tell me, you know, who feels it, knows it.
But you want to know, me and Tia just have a little argument.
Sure.
Just because she has seminar leg off from my past, that Alia, my ex. But she not understand, bro. You see where Alia hurt me, dog. Me will like sometime at night, brother. Me I say, wicked Alia.
Like you have a little nightmare
like
about
nightmare.
it.
You see me?
One thing still enough.
But you know no. You see when me buck Tia, bro. Tia one good man.
Yeah, man. That me just don't say.
Yo, she wash everything, clothes, socks, antenna. She press. Yo, me not see what she not press.
And also we tell you the truth, me get where you forward after though, me general, I say like, you live in a past. And I really like you live in a past, and but it a come like every time, if you go touch the bike, yeah, you remember say, yo, you know say the bike, yeah, they turn me over again, and me no want to go get back too close to the bike again, and me go back on it again, it go crash me again. So that come like the same thing in a relationship, you know, every minute like if you go move
two
to
different bike,
right,
same journey.
Every minute if you go move to Tia like I said, me no go get too in love again. Although you're in love, you know, but you know I go mash up your heart again.
Just now want to put in me 2 foot in a Tia
and get a name broke.
Got broke. Because here I 2 foot me put in with Alia.
Well, if you can put in 1 foot, if 1 foot broke, at least you can go so.
But Tia want me put in 2 foot.
One.
Because me I tell him, say, just give me time. Because she understand, but you must say it's like, my mind not did them more while. But he not understand the pain when I feel, how it feels, it knows it. True. So she have to understand that.
It's a good thing when she understand, you know. It's good when you have a woman and they understand your pain. You see me? Hope one day you can get over that and just know, say, yo, you see people are going to just be people where them are going forward in their life. People come and people go. You see me? So just hope one day black is still.
You know, so me go down to the doctor over there, but do a full checkup. A big man thing. It's like the doctor tell me say one of them not good.
One eye what?
We do a checkup, but you must say one eye test not good.
Jesus Christ. What is one eye testing?
When you not get back to me, I must say lab thing and everything. You see me?
Sir, only hope on nothing serious or so you.
Hope on nothing serious to bro, cause right now, although me not put in full trust in a Tia, it's like me just live back some life again, like how me and Alia used to live before she break.
Only hope on nothing to come break down in
watch out, man.
God.
Me left everything in a God hand. As a sinner, me left everything in a God hand.
True, man.
And me just know, say, cause when Alia break my heart, you know, bro, me feel like give up, you know. As serious as me there, so me feel like man take my life. That's how me give up on life.
Remember say, at the same time when you tell me all that, then I tell you, say, Colin Book, you're mad. You can't do that. Take that out of your mind. So, and you man up and see the holy firm.
Show your God really. Send an angel. So the angel have to just understand right now. So yo, me just can't give in. But then you wait upon.
Me just say me that just come give a link you because me say I pass in that year and me say yo from me pass fair place me have to stop and heal you up. You see it?
Oh.
But differently. The family good and Tia good, everything good.
Yeah man. Yo, but you walk on no. I some breakfast there I look out for.
Yeah man, so. No problem man.
We are connect here.
Breakfast.
That's at least man, but
I joke, but you know we come down man, because I know say it's not a you, you're kind to your friend.
Alright, so
I'm good man.
We are connect here.
That's your word man. Alright, as I say, more up one day, you can just figure that and know say yo, the past is the past.
Yeah,
future we are looking for.
Yeah man, the future. But you still have to
remember. No say hard man, but anything we want we always go feed so.
Sky's
you're a born fighter.
Let's
go and fight.
Me here.
Yeah man, heal up mom see me here.
Yeah man, me do that.
B, you know what I say? To be honest, I get tired of this. It annoys me because you are mess about your past relationship, you know. Every minute a day you think about your ex, you know. I'm not like that. How you expect me to feel now? Talk to me.
Alright, listen to me now today. I understand where you come from, but you see the fact that me mess up with my ex and me never give it apologize and me never give it tell him sorry for what me do because I me mess up, you know. And it things that when you are doing for me now, it reminds me so much of him because everything what you have now I hit him used to do. He do me hair, he do me nails, he treat me good, he don't make me want nothing if me still want so yes, if you know the fun thing about it, he normally just see me look for one suit of clothes and by the day if you don't me I get the suit of clothes. He do every little thing me want as me just eyes this out, me get it. And I same thing with you.
Yeah, be like me I try say. The same thing me I do, you know. But you think about your past. Babes, me I go say something to you. But not take you like me the talk or me do for you. What out there in the world where me never yet do for you? What your ex used to do? Me buy your hair too. Me do your nails. Me buy your clothes, everything, feed your clothes, shelter you. And you be so ungrateful because you know say you mess up. And you don't get a chance to apologize. And that bother you if you got to say you move on.
That's not a point. You do everything else, but everything what you do remind me of him. Like look at every single thing you do remind me of him. Alright, look at it. me mess up, right?
Yeah.
Me no want, you see, through me mess up, me fly in this relationship too quick. And me no heal. Me no heal properly as it. If you understand me. Me no heal because in myself, me know say me mess up and me no give it to them sorry or nothing at all. Tibi, you see, all of this what me I tell you now, me tell you this before. And you tell me say you're willing to work with it. If you tell you the truth, even though me say me get over my ex, me still not get over me.
Alia, this is the problem I have with you. You see, this is the problem I really and truly have with you. Not because you don't get over your ex and then something, it hurt me. Cause you hurt your ex, you know. See? You hurt your ex. How you feel for me and you live? And every minute you think about your past. It hurt me, they mash up inside.
Alright, you hear what? Cause me not get over my ex and me not get to apologize until me apologize to him. Alright, you know, Tibi, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry to me I hurt you. And if you tell the truth, you're one good man. You don't deserve this.
That is the point.
No, but you don't understand me, I say. Me no want to hurt you. And me not getting over my ex, I go hurt you. So here what you do for me. I could just call a relationship until me can figure out things. Until me can get over my ex.
Me not depend that. You see you? Just like how you hurt your ex. You dey hurt me. You know say you want wicked woman though. Yo, you want a wicked piece of woman and I never know until today, dear.
No, but
you see you, Alia?
I'm trying to explain things to you.
There is nothing I can explain because see him some hurt. Like how your ex did feel hurt. You want a wicked piece of woman and I don't talk. I told them I find out that and I told them I know that for me. Say, yo, what make you so wicked, Alia? Look how much things me do for you. Eh?
I mean, appreciate everything, but you make it seem like say, right, suppose me to sit down here and still there here with you. I use more like they use you. I don't want to use you.
Bro, you come like you break me heart, bro. I truly even know, bro. You don't understand me I go through right now. You're too wicked, Alia. I mean, I deserve this and you know that. Keep your apology, man. Me I go up on the road. Everything good.
Can't believe I messed up in my past and I still mess up my future.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, man, I saw you there, not true. I hear more you do for me. Stop around Dunsbar River. Yeah. Nelsia's natural herb. Across from a total gas station. More you pick up some stuff there for me. Make an order. So just pick it up. It come to 18,000. You see me? Sis, come here, please. Come here. Yeah, just pick it up for me, please. When I come, me give you back the money. Yeah, man, that's some stuff, man. Yeah. Okay, alright. Hold on, brother. Sis, I'm sorry about that. I was on my phone right now talking about some little product I want to get from Sam. Tia is inside, man. Just link him. Soon come talk to you, here?
Yeah, come here, I wonder what you.
It's okay, sis. Yeah, so bro, me I say right now, as I was saying.
Come on, talk to you.
Oh, what?
Honey,
Me don't hear sis, you alright?
yes, we come in and call on the place like I'm an idiot. Better out this up on the phone and make some product call say something you want from some store.
Oh, okay. And then me there wash up some breakfast plate cause I make breakfast in boss, you know?
Okay, that don't sound bad. And roast breadfruit.
No man, you know say this morning we did roast for maybe I eat me about for dinner. Fry. So I can't saltfish, me don't know what I'm going to.
So what me know? What about you?
They are like they are kind of stressed, but
We have a party here.
no. We say babe outside on your phone, right?
Oh, you don't want to come catch you talk to me.
We just want to talk to you, and you know girls talk. I don't want him really involved when I talk right now.
Okay, I have no problem with that. Where's it happen now?
Alright, so I know I can confide in you, like talk to you. I don't really have nobody else to talk to, so I'm gonna just let it out. You understand?
Come.
You know, so my brother, they don't feel like a year odd, right? And me love him and me know him love me. And I know if no, but no, maybe me know. But you see the full potential I don't want him to have towards me in a day. Because I'm ex.
Tia, when I say ex, you talk about Alia.
Yes, Alia me I talk about.
Yeah. Remember say, Alia was the past. You and coloring book are the future now. You understand? My brother been through a lot before he meet you here, and he still a go through a lot right now. Most of the time I sit down and I reason my brother. He feel hurt same way, still not get over things what happen to him in that the relationship like. So right now I know say him probably not lay out to you and open up to you fully for reason with you and show you certain things because him is a man. Man would always be a man. Woman think different and operate different from a man. So I might try hold it. You understand? But I know since that hurt because my brother when I look on him I can't see it. He still feels some type of way about what happened to him in a past relationship. I know say I try with you and I try with him, but I ask if you just give him a little bit of time before he open up to you. I just give him a little time. I talk to him, you know. I talk to him, but I listen to hear out you first.
Listen what I say, sis. Because it come like nobody now understand how me feel. You get what I say? Suppose me I try to put him in my shoe.
Me understand.
Alright. Basically we all have sex.
Mm-hmm.
Me all go down in the nitty gritty and tell you.
Mm-hmm.
We all have sex and him a call Ali a name. Him in his sleep. And me only in my sleep and hear him shout out Alia! Like
Alia hurt him deep. Me I tell you. Me can talk to him about this something. Mama, when you're sleeping, you're subconscious. You know, so when you sleep, subconscious, that's the things when you got your bed with by your mind, it play out in that in your sleep.
But what I'm saying, a 1 year I'm mash now with they. I tell me say, whatever hurt Alia, hurt him. Him not get over that all now. Me show him love, me show him affection. And tell me say, that not enough.
Yeah. Me not say I do enough. I'm sure say I do enough. Because if you never do nothing at all or never try hard enough, brother won't stay there so with you. I can tell you that. And if you never feel some type of way for you and care about your own there with you, tell me, I tell my brother, I know him. You understand? Me go talk to him and say I can get him to reason with me on a level from a woman to a man perspective. I not guarantee that things will change when I talk to him, but I hope a little bit better. Yeah, me a woman and I know how you feel. You see, when you expect more from a man, you don't really want demands, you know. You want him to come around fully by himself. You don't want to tell him what you want from him or what you expect from him. You want him to come fully opening to you. You deserve love, appreciation, and you deserve attention and affection. You understand what I say? So, you see, because I know this much, and my sister here try with my brother. But they run long enough for sister here try it here. I'm a woman and I tell you, from a woman to a woman perspective, I know so you deserve love from my brother. And you need attention and you deserve it. And you try everything with him. I talk to him. No matter of fact, when I go out the door right now, I talk to him. Because I wait for him to come in.
Thank you so much. Because I know I can always depend on you, right?
Alright. Alright. Don't worry about him. I'll talk to him.
You talk to him, but please, not talk to him like a me saying you go talk to him. Just, you know, if you fix something.
I'll go out there and try to find out from him if he's alright and how things are.
Yeah, just tell him say come and see my face long. And you know
I like how you look.
Yeah,
I have to open up and tell him, so you tell him nothing. That's between me and you.
Thank you so much again.
You're welcome. Just one worry. As me say, he will come around. Gradually, he go take time come around. Just believe. Just believe in your relationship, believe in yourself, believe in it too. You understand?
Yes, yes.
Later.
Alright, Chelsea.
If you want to talk to me about something, text me.
Yeah,
or call me.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
That dirty ex. Alia. Eh? Look how you hurt me, man. That's me can't get no full love and everything what me need from him, and me know I have it in him. Come and go reach you, see Alia.
Sis, what you want?
Brother, what?
Me there, man.
Where you go with you?
Well, me just there, take it one step at a time, you know.
One step at a time.
Yeah. One step at a time, sis.
What do you mean?
Well, as me say, me good. But, you know, sometime when you go do 125 year of prison, you know, and you come back from prison and still have love on the outside, but you still remember your past. Your past now, you now get rid of your past. You see me, so quick. You understand? But you can't make your past wallow down. So I just focus on a little bit of people that are around me and them try to keep me up. Although sometimes my past draw me down. So you're one of them, Tia one of them, and a couple more people in my life. So
Why are you like, my brother? What really are going with you?
Like,
In yourself, on a love note, in your brain, in your mind, in your thoughts, in your body, like what really are going with you? How you feel emotionally? How you feel mentally and physically? How you feel? How you feel? Just how you feel?
Me feel
Period,
good.
overall. You feel good in yourself?
yeah, me feel good in myself, but
Physically? How you feel emotionally?
me feel good emotion, physically. Me feel good. As me just explain and tell her say, whatever me go through in my past, me now make it draw me back, but me still have to think about it sometimes. Because it messed
Something
up.
bother you sometimes. So
Sis,
sometimes something bother you.
sis, listen what me I say. Me just pass you just pass me go inside because me on the phone and you go inside. So if you want to talk to me about something, yeah, my bigger sister, just come forward and talk to me. Me not like when you go around and
Just
talk
want
to
to
me.
know if you're alright, my brother, and
But-
how your relationship
But
are keep
all,
up.
what you mean how my relationship I keep up, sis? If you want to talk to me about something, just talk to me about something about that
Alright.
grown in the bushes, sis.
I go in the kitchen, I'm in the kitchen, I raise with tea a little bit, and she look so cute, she look happy. I'm gonna try to find out what's wrong with her. You know? I try to find out what's wrong with her. She don't really want to tell me still, but me feel like say she feel affected. Like she don't feel like say, me feel like say she feel like she not get no attention from you. Or no affection.
You know, so for
You
the
know, so I
last,
spend time with her.
for the last month, 2 months, my third leg never fail me. Me carry her out. Me do her hair.
Mm-hmm.
A matter of fact, she's a nice, wonderful lady. She's a good woman for having in my life.
I know.
But you know the problem what Tia have, and you know the problem what me have, and you know the problem where me I come from.
Yes.
You see me? If me not cheat on Tia, and she have a problem what overstand, but me
Yes.
not cheat.
Brother.
What Tia want me to do, me cannot do that yet. Me I come from a place where 2 truck run over my heart. And me not talk to the people and stand up on the sideline and look and I laugh. And someone say stop laugh.
My brother.
So me have to protect myself.
Come on, book. Listen to me. Me know say I try to protect your heart, you put a shield over it. Alright, me understand that. Remember say me know you, and me I talk about all heap of things. And you go through all heap of things to where you reach now, you reach far, my brother. But at the same time, more you have to focus for your relationship. You just focus for yourself and your feelings. Remember say you have one female in that picture who care about you and she love you and she there for you. So you have to show her more affection, my brother. Show her say you love her, you care about her. Show her a little more affection, my brother. Give her some more attention. Your third leg now feel you, but at the same time, that is not all.
Sis, can I ask you a question?
Yeah, sure. Ask me anything.
If you have a job
Mm-hmm.
where you're in over 10 year or 15 year
Mm-hmm.
and you're doing good at work and the boss appreciates you, you're doing good.
Mm-hmm.
If your health is not good and you're sick, you have to fight it and go to work? No, because your health come first.
Yes, your health and your wealth.
Okay, so me I think about my health coming first and also I'm thinking about Tia.
Mm-hmm.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
But me just now want to put in my 2 foot in the relationship with Tia just because I want my ex do me. Yeah, it wrong for me I use my ex and a fryer.
Yeah,
but by any idea it right for me. Still I look out at my eye if you not go back through a tribulation that when me go through.
Yeah,
so the
brother.
only thing I want Tia to do with me, just take time. Me explain this morning and tell her say, when me go through the problem with my ex,
Yes.
it was 100% out of stress and from she come in my life, the look here and had it boiled down.
Alright.
You understand?
So
It
you-
boiled down to maybe 60 or 70%. So she still a help me out.
So to you, you're not ready to put in a 2 feet.
I'm not ready to put in my 2 feet.
You're ready to put in a 2 feet.
Me I put
And you
in
feel
1
like say-
feet and 5 toe.
Okay. And you feel like say she should have given you the time to take your time to gradually do that, right?
She not have to give me the time. Me I ask her, please just bear with me. I just that me I ask her for.
In the meantime, when you ask her to be with them, my brother, remember say, woman have feelings. Remember say, your woman, and she have feelings. And she expect a little bit more from you, brother.
Me I go say something to you. I don't know if Tia say it to you. Did you know say the past relationship where Tia leave from and find me? Did you know say just like how my ex deal with me and cheat on me, how the same way Tia ex cheat on him and deal with him?
No, I did not know.
Okay,
this.
I'm telling you right now, sis.
Okay.
So the only difference with me and her, she lego pan her past
And you still a
and me
hold
still a
on.
hold on. But me not hold on because me love my ex. Me a hold on because me I think about this are the only one me get.
So,
The
brother,
art.
let me ask you something. When you go plan to Lego?
Time. Time, sis.
time you don't go out the road and say you go look somebody and fall in love. You go out the road and you fall in love with somebody.
Okay. And the time what you want, my brother. Suppose by the time you realize that the time I take too long, you run out of time. You
Well,
go use Kellyanne.
If me run out of time, I make go use Kellyanne. By the end of the day, if Tia decides that she have to cut, me overstand for her feelings. But because she love me, she not try to understand my feelings.
You don't love her. She love you, you don't love her. I know you love her, because if you never love her, she wouldn't dare.
Why you ask me phonish? You know say me love her. You know that the only problem she have with me is in the relationship. How because me not put in my 2 foot.
No, but let me tell you one more thing. So tonight when you lay down, go lay down. When you lay down and when you pray about it. Pray about everything that happened to you in your past and let it God. And forgive all your if you forgive and move on. Lay down and think about what me talk about and think about everything what me say.
This is what me I say. I go say something to you.
What that now?
Sis, you can't trust her, right?
Of course you can trust me, not if you ask me that.
I go say something to you. And I'll know me don't say it to Tia. A matter of fact, you're the first somebody me go say it to. Me do some tests over there. And the doctor tell me say one of the tests is not looking so good.
What that mean? No, what you say?
Sis, listen. You know from you know me can't be a problem.
Yes.
Me can't go through my problem, cry to Father God and cry to myself. Me nah say this fee. You stress out or think negative. I don't say it to Tia yet. The doctor said the test is not looking so good. So she might do a next test. We see about me do a full test. AIDS, cancer, sorry.
My brother, tap, have me in a dilemma and tell me what you tell me.
HIV, cancer, sugar, everything. So just pray. I don't know what's going on in my life. Oh, me know me just a cough. Me pain up, my belly hurt me like
when you cough, you see blood or nothing?
Sometimes.
Jesus Christ.
Sis.
Me stress right out.
That's why I never want to tell you. That's why I never want to tell you.
My brother, for you see blood in or nothing serious.
Just listen. Just listen. Just look up blessing and prayer.
Me I pray for you, but at the same time, when you think you go find time to
Doctor, if you call me any minute, any time right now, just wait for him call. That's why I have to tap up. Sometimes I have to tap up, I get hot spot. And when I know the hot spot, I don't have winners pani something there.
Night will come down quick.
So, you are going. Tia don't deserve this, you know. But as what I say, we just have to play my card right, because everybody think about for themselves.
True.
If me in a race, and right now me I run for first place, everybody will think about themselves.
My brother.
But me not think about us alone, I think about it two of me.
You have to do that. It's not you alone. Jesus Christ. My brother.
So, just please don't tell her. Just say nothing to her, just hold it. Soon as I get more information, I'll make you know.
You feel like you're alright, my brother? You feel like something really wrong with you? Just be honest and tell me the truth. You feel like something wrong with you apart from what the doctor say? You feel like something wrong with you, my brother?
I just not feel good for another day.
I don't know what cause.
I don't know what. Me I go through a lot.
Alright, my brother. Here I go going. I'll pray for you. I'm going you to build strong. Be strong for me and hold on. Whatever it is, we can work through. God a guide, you see? And him can move mountain. Remember that, here?
Look more here.
In the meantime, take care of yourself and go and take care of Tia. Tell her I am gone over. It's alright with the man, he says safe with me. Just believe in a God and pray about it. Brother sick. And he never tell me this, you know. It's new to me, because never this me come about. But sick of everybody and anybody. Father God, do me I beg you. Cover we under your blood, Jesus. Cover we under your precious blood. Whatever it is we are praying about it, and we know you can't fix it. We are geared, Lord. We are geared.
Sis, I want.
Me no nothing with you, you know. Me no nothing at all with you. You remember say you have one sister?
Sister, stop one, sis. Behave yourself.
Who fi stop one so?
Stop one,
Me not
so.
like your dirty style, man. You come like it. Me not change number, and I same phone number me have, you know. Same phone number me have.
So me not know, sis. How you make it thing look so?
Anyways, what you want?
Yeah, see me a come get a link. Things. I know nothing I go on for your brother, you know. Right now your brother under BS stress.
I could have want to stress you now. The last time me hear from you, you know, 9 months ago, you know, when you live at Green Island. So I bring you up here so now.
Sis, about that the time there. Me left Green Island, you know, because me there west. About 9 months, you know. Now a serious relationship. I mean I tell her say you is a
You in a serious relationship?
Of course. So what, me
Okay.
not small the picnic.
Me not say nothing. In here, what happened now?
I tell her say be a stressy girl I bring to me.
What kind of stress?
You know have nothing to offer to the table more than pure stress. You don't know say
Oh boy.
a girl that in a relationship where me don't know it come like in the earthy ex and you know get me apologize. So she use it against me all the time. I mean I like that, I'm fed up. So I come to talk to you now for a reason with you tell me what best thing to do.
Me understand, but bro, me never know say you in a serious relationship and sitting. Hey bro, me know say you normally whore, you know. You live all bad place around this a woman in yard to that the woman they yard there. So I surprised oh you settle down with one woman.
Sis.
But anyways, tell me more about what mama do you know. I want really one.
Sis, me in a relationship for about 9 months now. And you want to know the funniest thing about it? Me lose the relationship. Me not in the relationship none at all again. Because you want to know why?
Why?
Me feel kind of left out. Because me not tell a lie. You see, relationship when me did enough. My partner did explain something to me. Say our ex, she did mostly disrespect her ex. And she never get to apologize. So, she constantly think about that 24/7. So it kind of break me down now. So me feel left out. I mean, I like that.
Why? Tibi, me feel your pain. Cause me basically I go through one similar thing right now.
Sis, what you mean about me and you go through the same thing? The 1 year I had now, you tell me say no one relationship, no one perfect relationship, you know?
Perfect? Bro, I God alone perfect. Nobody no perfect, nothing no perfect. But me can't tell her this. You see, my man, me know he love me as me tell you already. I don't know if no, but no, maybe. But him a hold on to when ex do him. You understand what I say? His ex hurt him so bad. And then, it's not like say, he no love me or me not treat him right. Me a treat him right. Me know me a do the things them where a woman supposed to do. Me not cheat. Me not go out of way if you do not. Me not flirt with nobody. Me there for him 100%. But me just don't know why he locked into whatever an ex do him. You understand what I say?
So sis, how you your man the 1 year I had now? I mean I know my brother-in-law.
Bro, a joke you give me. How you feel know your brother-in-law when they all over the place? You go to reach 14 parish. You go to done 14 parish in Jamaica. Cause me not even know say you come back a yard, yeah. Last time me check a Green Island you did live. So how you gonna know your brother-in-law? You didn't even call me about 9 months now. Me not hear from you, you know? And my number don't change. Bro, me not even know say you have a serious relationship. Can you just stay over the whole place?
So sis, let me ask you a question. How come like say me and you go through the same situation?
Right now, I saw you feel right now, because based on what you are telling me, I same thing me I go through.
Boy, me not tell a lie no sis. As you see me sit down and say, you know. From yesterday, me fi come get a link, you know.
So you want to know Puppy Dan? I feel like me I think about myself too much. Because relationship are two person.
True.
And what you talk to me and also my sister can talk to me too.
Long
That a
time you see your
Chelsea.
sister, you know, she good.
Yeah man, she good man. You see me?
Wonderful.
But anyhow, Puppy Dan, me really have to protect my heart, you know. Because yo, Bro, you know, you know, my sister know, you know, Father God know, you know. Only Satan don't know, you know. Bro, Alia really hurt me, you know. Mash up my meds, you know.
You know, so we tell you the truth, though, coloring book. You know, say all over my sister, you see me, and to tell you the truth, me and her have a good relationship. But you see, because me dey go tell her, say, yo, she wrong with what she do to you. Like, she dey kind of hold her distance from me. So, me a boy, me not too connect with her, but me connect with her because I'm my sister. You see me, but she deal with it really bad. And on my side as a brother, me tell her say she mess up because me like can tell people what they right and what they wrong. And really and truly she mess up. And in your shoes and now, me would still have that the paranoid in my mind. Like me would just want to go trust one woman. So me not say you're wrong with what you're doing, but me I say I hear and other now. So you know you can't just look past it, but me would have be that the person where me would have still now go just give me all so I'm afraid the woman on me there will go do me the same. So me not wrong you.
Yeah, what? You see, if Alia, we just come forward before me we in this relationship here and with Tia and saying sorry and everything, me feel like me could have healed more faster.
True.
But me still I try to use Alia past and I shake up my future
True.
with Tia, and Tia not deserve that. So I kind of look into myself, although me I protect my heart, but I kind of look into myself and I feel like, yo, no care you try to protect your heart, it a go break. I know me alone get heartbreak. Some people get heartbreak a million times, 100 times. Me only get a few times.
And the funniest thing in my life.
So me have to just give Tia a chance in my life.
Sometimes
and just open up all to Tia.
Sometimes people do things, you know, but and I like, oh, go back there so with them the people there. But you see, sometimes when they tell you we're sorry, you know, or tell you say they're really sorry for what they do, like it kind of ease up with heart little. You see me? Sometimes we forgive, but we not forget. You get me? I say, but me reason there, and my sister, me reason there and see what is fair point of view because by an idea, should have one man over there, you know. You see it? Because I want you there over there for around 9 months.
Man over there?
Yeah, man, I want you there for 9 months.
You know what I really like still popular?
Communicate, you see it?
You know what I really like? Just like how him hurt me.
Yeah.
You see me? I mean, know him sorry, I know it a kill him. I know it a nyam him out. But I hope the mistake where he make with me,
I'm not going to make you the youth.
I hope him not make that mistake with that youth. I don't know if that youth is a good youth or not, but I hope if him find out so that youth is a good youth like oh me was a good youth. I hope him not in learn off of my mistake and hold on upon that youth.
I hope she not use her past and affect her future. Yo, give her a link.
One thing I say still, just thanks to the advice.
I mean, man, I there, I'm in G and color book. I say when me dead down in my situation too, you know, bro. And you tell me same one saying who feels it knows it, you know. So I have to remember when I come
yeah,
from.
man, so I go link mama because I get up this morning, you know, bro, and leave, you know. I mean,
yeah,
tell her so I come
bro.
and
me just want to calm down my brain, you know. See you call me in the morning, in 6 o'clock, me I say, what do coloring book? Me I feel one dive, and like me I think negative, but me I feel one dive for fight over there, because I remember say, you tell me say your mama in a little argument. You see it, and from them the time that we there drink some rum until we there talk.
Yo, I was cutting out, but I just go say something still. Me don't know where tomorrow may bring. You see me? Me don't know where tomorrow may bring for you or for me or for nobody. You can't do that today and tomorrow not there.
Sure.
But me just tell you, bro. Me beg you. You see, if nothing happen to me tomorrow, God forbid it. You see me? Bind up that in the name of Jesus.
Yeah, man. Send it back in a pit of
yeah,
hell,
man. Me just want you to just make sure, say, yo, make Tia know, so I mean, love her, dog.
But I true I find yesterday, the relationship kind of break off because me didn't want to look at depression feelings. Where me woman make me know say yo, the relationship have to go break off. Cause she don't get over her ex. But she do her ex. You see that dirty girl when you Alia? Hey, I don't like her, you know, I want wicked, you know? My woman Alia. I want wicked me have over this.
Alia. No man, the name the family, Alia.
You know going to know that the Alia there?
Which Alia? I want Alia from Green Island where you used to live. Or which Alia that?
No sis, I don't know Green Island me bucky girl from. I don't know me come know her. Me not tell her say 9 months me left Green Island. Me come down and know a girl for 9 months. I mean I know what me see on her. When me get so serious over the relationship then I fall for her. And the dirty girl come break my heart.
Bro, me feel your pain. Me can't hear it in your voice, but bro, In name Aliyah, it just a rest on my brain. And you say down here you mean
Down here,
her.
me
Down
come
and
bucket
nigger your
dirty
son.
girl.
One thick girl, she thick.
She thick.
And one Aliyah alone me know. And
I
I
tell me,
that the girl there.
Yeah, she gonna tell me, say, no, she say she can't get over her man because she did messed up. And it hurt her.
Wait there, bro. Wait. You see, if I see him Aliyah you talk about, because I want Aliyah me know a niggerly I know. Me not say no other Aliyah no dey about, you know. But you want Aliyah when me know. Break my man heart too, you know. Bro, when me say break my man heart too, you know. She make me and my man can't live in a peace in this house, you know, bro.
Sis, let me show you one picture of her. Wait.
Savior. No, what a wicked girl, Aliyah.
That girl and me a chat. She said one. You know her?
Jesus Christ.
How?
Bro, I this a same girl you hurt me, man.
Then this a girl that break my brother heart for me no know.
This is a small world. No,
Outside.
man. Jesus Christ. Jesus.
No, sis.
So this a girl that hurt me man. I know I hurt me brother.
The show say she look.
Me say me sure see a she. Me see her in a me man phone. Me know her like that. Me see her. Jesus.
So a dirty girl me take up.
Yeah, man, make my sister know so me love him, man. Like if anything fi happen,
Go line,
man, buying up that.
Yo,
man, you see
where you say? Brother, that's sure that what you talk about? I don't understand how you can talk about say yo, make your sister know say you love her and make your woman know that. From other day, you know, me I realize all of me come check in. See all the same thing me I talk about, you cough, bro. And them thing that you tell me say yo, your head and your belly are hot yo. Yo, go a doctor go check up now, bro.
No.
You know,
Puppy Dan, me good, man.
you know tell me
Alright,
say
man.
you go a doctor and some one bad
Me
result.
name bother go down there, man. Me good, me friend.
Call
man.
him, but go check up yourself, you know, bro. Now do that, you know, bro. And now when me I think and make sure that I go on.
No, man, me good, me killer, man. I just stress out, man. You see me? I want you, bro,
Yo,
man.
just do it right,
cool,
bro.
man.
Come here, tell us a while ago that I get yo, you just make me get yo, just check up, bro.
Good, man. Yo, look how me killer, man. Respect here. Yeah, man.
Come on, man. Jaja, yo. Some man here come like say my plan something like a funeral, my plan or something. What you mean by me if you telling woman saying love him? You know what? Buying up that can't afford to lose a good friend, you know.
No, sis, me can't tell her. All my head start at me soon come. Can't tell her, sis.
Bro, do me a
God,
beg you no make she damage you no more. Run if you can run.
You sure say a she, sis?
Bro, me say me sure, me positive say a she.
A she this a sis, not true?
Bro, me say a she. Why me that they lie to you, bro?
Backside. Alright, big up yourself.
Alright, bro. Take it easy, yeah?
Same to you.
Bad dog.
What go on?
No violation. How you doing in my yard?
A fear yard.
Yeah, Tia Mo, man. My name coloring book on my yard. So I say I come out of my yard. So I ask her what you doing in my yard.
Oh, my name Tibi. Me a Tia, brother. Tia, me come check my sister.
Hold on. Tibi, are you live at Green Island?
Yeah, me come from Green Island.
Oh, cause me always talk about one brother where man him not to communicate a lot or phone call or talk a lot.
Yeah,
oh,
man.
me never know, man. Sorry about that, man. You know,
That good, man. I know
you're
we
only for
gangster
respect, man. I
and
mean
shit,
him
but
coloring book, man. You see me?
me and I did that talk about something. I know more like fi. Even though you don't know me and me don't know you, see?
Yeah, but from you say, your sister, you see me? We are
Well,
one blood,
brother,
we not really connect or link up, you see me?
So if I Zid, I want to ask you one question.
Yeah,
I want
man,
to
no
tell me
problem,
if
man.
this right or if wrong. You in a relationship, Zid.
Where you say if me never in a one relationship to the question.
Yeah. You're in a one relationship. No, take my
Yeah.
sister out of this.
Yeah.
I want my virgin it to happen to you know.
Yeah.
When want count some sense in her head.
Yeah.
You're in a one relationship. Zid. You wash the girl, you cook girl,
Yeah.
you buy her this, you buy her that. You make sure she get the best treatment.
For one woman where the person really love them.
Right.
Yeah.
So, but she did come out of one relationship about like 9 months there with her for.
So the person where your friend there with the person for 9 months.
9 months.
Okay, cool. Talk.
And in 9 months where she there with her, where she there with my friend for,
Yeah.
she can't get over her ex. every minute about her ex cause she did do her ex bad where she can't get over that. She want apologize. What you would do?
So hold on, let me ask. So your friend in our relationship with a girl where him there for 9 months.
Right.
And in 9 months him there with that person. The female cannot get over an ex. So because in ex we cheat, she cheat on her ex.
Yeah. But she want apologize, so she can't get over that. So it a hurt up me nigga head. So I hit me come reason about my sister, cause my sister know my brethren when me a chat, you know. When me a chat, you know.
Alright, you know what me I say? Big man thing. It's hard for a female in a relationship and cannot get over an ex. He now can carry on in relationship when in a right now because maybe in conscience about him.
Money there for me.
Oh, that Chelsea.
Hey, go on, no, me
Hey, you know, so me dust not too long see you, brother. And me ask him say,
line book.
if you're good, cause a long time you not see you, know.
That's true. Me wonder which breeze blow you up here.
Why, me
most
there,
of
man?
woman jag you out here, so.
You're the easy, you know. I mean, your brother that reason not too long, man. And my sister, me say me a come give her a check, you know.
Oh, Alia, your big sister.
Yeah, man.
What she a going with? A long time I hear nothing from her. From sure my brother fall off. I don't really know. As me I say, we are woman all about we no put down no woman. So me I wonder how she a get on.
Well, you know, such a good so far. You see me?
A good news.
And same thing we are go on with my brother, with your brother. I same thing I go on with her.
My brother
She does
have
feel
it rough.
a way, so she know tell your brother saying sorry and same like how your brother feel a way say. My sister not tell him saying sorry.
Things.
You see it? But
No.
otherwise she good, man. But you know something I like how your brother talk about yo. Me fi tell you if anything fi happen, me fi make you know say he love you.
Hold on, cut. My brother tell us say what?
If anything fi go on, me fi make you know say he love you. Me not understand
My
that.
brother give a message to give me.
And that thing tell me not
Fi give
too
me?
long. Yeah. I mean if you tell me say yo, send back that in a pit of hell.
Can't be say my brother give a message to give me, puppy dan.
You know me feel low. Me feel like say coloring book sick and not tell no way in my
Brother.
idea, you know. Because me I watch me my cough and a ball for him head and him belly, you know.
Puppy dan. Tell the person me if you think back in my brain. I just recently my brother sit up on the front a reason.
Oh, they
And
shake
my
up
brother
my
tell
meds,
me,
youth.
me hear my cough and he tell me saying go a doctor go do some test and
if
boy,
one of
him have
them
to go redo some of them and the
right,
doctor tell
because
him
one
say,
of them bad. But he say you no find out a why yet.
one of them bad. My brother sick and tell me puppy dan.
Yo,
That means say my
that's
brother
how you-
sick and tell me. Can you, as a virgin tell you say if
I'm a
something
G,
happen to him
man.
to tell me say love me. That means say my
And
brother
telling
hide
woman
something
too.
from me.
I hide something from me too. All why your blood
How
you
me
know
I go
find
find
nothing
out
from
now?
you.
How much I find out what really are going on with my brother? How me I go find out? Sick of everybody brother but me rebuke in the name of Jesus.
Say no, sis. Yeah, my sis see him, you know, alone no blood, you know.
Brother sick,
But you know, so me tell you the truth. The last time, you know, me know somebody sick, you know. When me da work a hotel, you know, me I tell you saying sick and him a hide, you know. You know, so me tell you the truth. Cancer name out the whole of him. Name out the whole of him inside, name out him belly bottom.
Jesus Christ. That means I'm
Anytime-
fine down.
That me I try tell him maga
I
down.
don't see like my brother lose no weight, you know. Me never look so
Me not
deep.
like them things, me not like when people feel some type of way and hide it,
You
especially
can't
the
hide
close
sickness,
people
brother.
them.
You better just come out and tell me. No, how me I go get
As
my
me
brother
say,
to tell me what happened to
You and
him.
him close, I know. Because I don't like me and him not close, you know, but you know your brother, I don't know if he that more if he tell you things more than tell
Brother
me.
too reserved
But
puppy than he have his something them and
find
keep
out
them a
feet and tell
secret.
me.
He not tell me. Can me ask him when me and my cap and everybody say my brother is sick, he saying go to doctor and do some test.
just
And this
find
and
out
that.
for me and tell me.
My
Give
brother
me
know what happened to him
link.
and he not tell me.
I only hope I know nothing bad enough.
Right now this a bother me, you know. I stress my brain now, you know.
That's how you out.
Can
So
me
I
could
go
do
down
sick
on the
and
road
tell me
now.
brother say me sick and my brother sick and I hide it from. That me say me there go try do. Right now me meds mash up.
Just go and hold them here. Look up yourself, man.
Brother. Can't believe say me brother sick and I tell me to hide it from me. Sick or sick. So if you're sick, you tell me, brother. What me go do to fix it if you not tell me? Eh? You give up our life if you don't tell nobody. Cause that means you don't want fix it and don't want nobody help you fix it.
No, say, he may have a good man that time ex and him violate and him still want apologize and hope the man want forgive him when he can carry on him life when he in a right now. But if him life when he in a right now I messed up because I'm past, that is a hard decision to make. You see me I say, and him she have to just man up, link up the ex and just tell him saying sorry, whatever and whatever and whatever. And by the end of the day, if he never cared different or more about the ex, he want to say, yo, Forget about that and focus on what you have now. So maybe you can have some feelings for your ex here, all you want to apologize.
It's the same thing I tell my friend.
So here what you do, man. Just tell a friend, say, yo, here what I go on. If him really care about that girl a cheat on him, I don't know.
Why, I don't know, but to me, it look like she would have do it. Because why would I think about the ex of in 9 months?
So tell your friend, someone, just talk to him girlfriend what think about him ex and tell him, say, if him will keep think about him ex in the relationship when in that man have to move on. Because him can sit down in a relationship, love a woman and him ex, and think about him past. So that man need to move on. Because by an idea, him ex a think about fame life, so him should not think about fame life.
Alright.
So just tell him that still, and I hope I could have just, I hope I can give an opinion where you can pass it on to your friends still, you see me?
Yeah, man.
You understand?
Respect.
But anyway, big up, you have to pass through
man.
more while in a man, you see me?
Respect for
Alright.
motivate.
Alright, respect. Look more here.
Yeah, man, I tell you that.
Yeah,
Go
man.
on.
Yeah, man. Tell, as me say, me brother,
Yeah, bro.
tell your friend, so him come first. Because remember, you know, if me and you are brother, you know, and we in our race, a roast, rate. If me and you are brother, right?
Yeah.
And we in our race, and we are race for 10 million, and me and you are brother, don't you want to win?
Yeah, of
And
course.
don't me want to win. Me no
Yeah.
want you win. So everybody I think about themselves, man. So tell your friends if you wise up, man. You see me?
True. Enough
Yeah.
respect again.
Alright.
Sister forward, you know. For build back with sister and brother band, you know. You see me, and just for tell you where you're right and where you're wrong. Because, remember, you know.
Listen to me, puppy. Right now, my headspace not really so good. No, I can't take this right now.
And that, you know, every time man come to talk to you about the good, he come like, you know, and listen to me and say, I tell me, be a problem. Why you can't listen to me and say, sis, eh? Me and brother, you know. And that's why I need to stay far from you, you know.
Alright, puppy, alright, calm down, talk. Let me hear.
Anyways, what me I try to say, you see coloring book.
Coloring book, what a coloring book?
Nothing happened to coloring book, that's what me I say. Remember when your coloring book break up, remember, you know, your coloring book did not relationship for 10 years, you know. And you left actually 2 years now, you know, sis. And you see what me realize I go on now, me know you don't get over coloring book, you know. And it's like coloring book don't get over the situation if you know, say, yo, you're breaking heart. You see me, because me realize the coloring book past affecting relationship. And me hope say your past not affect your relationship because I know you don't get over coloring book, you know.
What relationship?
What you mean? You're not in one relationship for 9 months now. What you mean
Me
by
and him break up.
You and him do what?
Me and him break up. Alright, listen to me, puppy.
Hold on there. Before you go no further, now tell me say at the ex coloring book where you're breaking your heart. Now tell me say at that where you not get over making your relationship mash up. Now tell me say that.
Then why me go tell us I know that when I that?
Sis, so you tell me say the youth where you and him there for 9 months, the youth are dealing with so good. The youth are spend money upon you get ear, nails, lashes and bag. You break up with him.
Alright, listen to me. You see my past affect him.
That's stupidness, you know.
Alright, puppy, then listen. Tibi, I want good youth, you know.
True.
Tibi give me everything I want.
You
Tibi
know
make me
that.
comfortable. Comfort wasn't the issue. Money wasn't the issue. I want a good man. But
What was the issue?
nothing was the issue. But listen me now. You see, it passed me out with coloring book. Should me not get over coloring book? It affect Tibi. Sometimes in him present me there and me I call him coloring book. Me I sleep and me I dream about coloring book and in my ear and I record.
It's so bad?
You know see how me look?
No, me say you stress out.
It's very bad. And then through me not get to go apologize to coloring book. It seems like you're right, you know. If me go apologize him to him, maybe, just maybe, it couldn't work with Tibi. But me have to break off with Tibi because me tell him say me no want to leave
A
him
foolishness you do. You know, say same thing make me and you separate as a brother and sister.
You know-
Because me tell you, you know, me tell you say sis, go and apologize to coloring book. See what you do, cause you hurt him.
Me know say me hurt him and style him, yes, but everybody make mistake and
You know, so me see coloring book not too long.
where you see him? He alright? He good how he look?
He ain't good enough.
He still look the same?
Ain't good enough, but more do saying good. Because as I say, what you do him, it a mash up in relationship. You see, same thing where you go through with your ex, which was your man, I same thing coloring book I go through with the woman. The only thing they not break up. But coloring book I tell me not too long say. You see, if you did step forward and tell him say, yo, you're sorry for what you do, You see it right now in relationship would be a much perfect because coloring book in loving woman, you know. And I want a good woman you have over there, you know. But the thing is, he just don't want to get so entangled with the woman and the woman doing the same way. And that him a priest, you know. The woman not fit do that, you know. Because we can't mix everybody with everybody, you know. And everybody I see him, you know. But me did warn you. And that's why me you never did good. Because me tell you, say, yo, go and apologize. Be a big woman. And step forward and apologize to coloring book. Maybe your relationship would end.
You know,
Maybe him would have a better relationship because he knows he apologize to him saying that get over that and you would have get over that.
You know, so you're right, brother. You're right.
So me ask you a question because me kind of see something, you know. You need, as I say, you need to apologize to coloring book. So that means say you can go fix up back things with Tibi. You see it because him is a good man. Because my sister is spend upon you. And then maybe coloring book can fix up film relationship more better. You still love coloring book? Hey! Okay, Tanya. You know what? Look at my sister. I can't go at me. That's what I tell you, say. You need to think about it and apologize to coloring book. Because you deal with him so badly. Yeah, my sister, me and your blood, same mother, same father. Coloring book are my friend, but me have to tell you where you're wrong and where you're right. You need to do it right. And your life will be alright. And also coloring book life will be alright. Love you, my sis.
Alright, my brother. Love you. Seems like I really have to go apologize to coloring book now. I don't want to mash up. I don't want to hurt him no further.
B, just hear me out now. Listen what me I say. I can't do this no more, B. This, I can't do it no more. I want to go back a country. Just go breeze out my mind and then little weird. This a get to my brain now. It a get to me. Every day me I have headache, B.
Yeah. Just listen to me, I say. I'm going to listen to me, I say, good. You see, all of the headache where I have, I'm not going to do it purpose, but me a part of it, and I really apologize. It take a man to come forward and can realize, say, I can't think for myself. Me I use my past and I try to hold it down. And you are one good woman. You see me, my sister raised with me yesterday and Puppy Dan raised with me. And I feel like I need to cut you some slack. I know me alone get hurt in a relationship. If I go sit down and say I don't want to get hurt again, I not go forward in a relationship with me. So I just want to tell you, say, I'm sorry. I'm really, really sorry. And I go just get that off of my brain and try put in my 2 foot and move forward with me and you. Why not? Look how it is.
Don't move now. How that?
Babes, how that? How that? Me slam
More
it
fire, so.
You guys made it to the end of this movie, and this movie is called My Past Love. People, you know have past love out there, you know have some love out in our past, so you still love though. But comment and tell me if you like the movie or if you don't like the movie. Just tell me your honest opinion, what could I do better, you understand, so we know say next movie we can do better. But remember, people, I want to big up Nelsia's Natural Herb, you understand, and remember, it's located across the Total gas station. I don't know, so I don't have Duns Bar, so just check out it and remember, Nelsia's Natural Herb. And Powell, big up yourself, you know, Powell's Wellness. Big up on yourself. My Past Love, the movie is a hit movie. Room.